Hi, this is Samantha from the CRM team, and in this video, I'll be giving you a brief demo of how you'll be using Campaign Launchpad to send your emails. Once you have your login credentials, you'll sign in to the Campaign Launchpad platform and get to this home screen. To get started with your first email, you'll click on Create Campaign in the top right corner. On the next screen, you'll select the type of campaign you'll be sending. In this case, we'll be sending a single send email. This means that one email template will be sent to your recipients. On the campaign recipient screen, you'll select your segment. Segments are your custom list of recipients that you can send that corresponds with your location. In the search bar, we'll put in our last name to select our segment. Click Save, and as you can see, we have 2 recipients within this segment. If you'd like to preview your segment, you can click the button. After we've selected our segment, we'll click Next in the bottom right-hand corner. On the Campaign Assets screen is where you'll select the template that you'd like your email campaign to contain. We'll select this first one. And now on the Campaign Builder screen, we're able to make edits to the email template as necessary. We'll start with the information on the right-hand panel. In the subject line, we'll put in Welcome to Window Genie in both the subject line and the preview text. You're also able to customize the from name, reply to name, and the reply to address. Once all of these details have been filled out, click on Save. Now we can edit the information in the left-hand panel in the template. As you can see, you have a number of elements within your template, including your logo, your images, and your body text, most of which can be edited. For example, in your logo, you're able to edit the hyperlink so that it goes to your website. You can change the picture by using the media library. This image library contains branded assets that you're able to use. You can edit the body text. So if we wanted to add Welcome to Window Genie here, we could. Scrolling further down, we have a coupon image and a call to action button that you're also able to edit. You can change it to say request an appointment or request a treatment, for example. Even further down, we have an image block that gives more information on other neighborly services. And then social media icons that you can also change the hyperlinks to. Once all of your changes have been made, you can click Preview at the top of the screen to view your email template. Once everything looks good, click on Test just beside the Preview button. This will send a test email to the email address associated with your account. This step is important as you cannot deploy your email campaign until you've tested it. Once all of this has been done, click Next in the bottom right-hand corner. On this Campaign Asset screen, we're going to go ahead and click Next since this is only a single send campaign. On the Campaign Settings screen, we'll enter in the title of our campaign. So we'll do this by putting in the brand, our last name, your DBA, but I don't have a DBA, so I'll just put my last name, and then the title of your campaign. Save. And then on the final screen is campaign deployment. This gives you the opportunity to check all of the elements of your campaign before you deploy it. So on this deployment checklist, you can see that everything is checked in green, meaning that everything is correct. but you can also double check to make sure. We can take a look at our segment by clicking on distribution list. So here we can see that 2 people will receive the email. You're also able to export your segment so that you can see which 2 recipients will receive your email. Using Asset Review, you can view your template or preview your template once again. And then you can click on Settings to get back to the deployment checklist. If any of these steps have been missed, you'll see a red X right beside the line item. You can also go back to this line item to make sure that it's corrected. If you scroll down, you can view the deployment scheduling. So this is where you can select at what time you'd like your email to go out. So say, for example, we'd like it to go out at 5:15. So we'll click on 5:15, and then we'll click on Deploy. So now our campaign has been submitted for approval. So now once the approval has been given by the CRM team, the email will deploy at the time that we've selected. So after your email campaign has been deployed, the next step will be to look at the statistics so that you can measure the effectiveness. You can do this by clicking on Reports. On the reporting screen, you can see an overview of all of your campaigns that have deployed. So for example, you can see here that we've deployed 2 campaigns. There have been 3 total emails sent, and then we can also view the unique open rate as well as the unique click rate. Scrolling down, you can view the campaign activity broken down by each campaign. If you'd like to see the metrics for a particular campaign, you can click on the campaign hyperlink. So for this campaign, we can see that we have a campaign email effectiveness score of 100. To the right, we can see that the unique open rate was 100%, and so was the unique click rate. Below this, we can view the campaign activity, which will show you how the email has performed as the days have gone by. Just below that, in the email performance section, we can see exactly who opened, clicked your emails, or who bounced or which addresses bounced, and which people unsubscribed from your emails. In the following sections, you can view a landing page performance as well as form submissions, but you won't need to worry about these just yet. And this is how you'll send your email campaigns using Campaign Launchpad. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the CRM team at localemail@neighborly.com.